Have you ever seen a metal frame coffee table online and thought, wow, that thing looks like it belongs in a luxury catalog? Let's start with visuals. When someone lands on your page, your photo has to stop the scroll. This is where the hero shot comes in. It's the money shot, the one image that represents everything your piece is about. So, how do you nail it? Natural lighting is your best friend. Set up next to a big window. Use soft even lighting in the morning or late afternoon. Avoid harsh overhead bulbs or shadows. Declutter your space. This is crucial. You don't want your welding tools or garage gear in the background. Think simple staging, a nice rug, a minimalist couch, and maybe a book or plant on top of the table. Shoot at eye level or slightly below. This angle makes the table look steady and well proportioned. Use a decent camera or your phone in portrait mode. With today's smartphones, you don't need a DSLR to capture a beautiful shot. Just clean the lens and tap to focus. Take multiple shots, one from the corner, one directly above, and one at a low side angle. Here is the thing. Metal framed coffee tables already look high-end, but if you want yours to stand out, especially online, add features that feel custom but don't cost you a fortune. Let me give you a few examples. Soft close drawers or hidden storage, adjustable feet or leveling legs, powder coated finish in matte black or brushed bronze, reclaimed wood top with unique grain patterns. Don't forget to highlight these features in your product description or caption. Now, let's talk discoverability. If your table looks amazing, but no one sees it, it won't sell. That's where SEO comes in. You want to use keywords that are specific enough to draw in the right people, but not so competitive that you get lost in the crowd. Start by thinking like a buyer. What would you type into Google or Etsy if you were searching for this kind of table? Would it be black metal and wood coffee table or modern industrial coffee table handmade? Those are your keywords. Here is what to do. Use long tail keywords in your product title and description. Something like handmade modern industrial coffee table, matte black weathered frame and reclaimed wood top. Add keywords to your image file names. Instead of uploading the raw image, rename it like black metal frame reclaimed wood coffee table top.jpg. Use tags or hashtags if you are on Instagram, Etsy, Pinterest or TikTok. Example, hashtag weathered furniture, hashtag industrial coffee table, and hashtag handmade metal design. Now, let's have some fun. You've probably seen it before. Crepes clean walls shown up close with a caption hashtag word porn. It's oddly satisfying, right? Turns out people love seeing the process, not just the finished table. So, how can you use that trend to your advantage? Show the moment your touch hits metal or the grind that smooths out a seam. No need for a full tutorial, just 10 to 30 seconds of wording magic. Before and after shots, start with raw materials and end with a style finished table. That transformation alone sells the craftsmanship. Show your tools, your shop setup, even your welding gloves. It builds trust and relatability. Use hashtags strategically. Let's be real. Pricing is tricky. Price too high and people scroll past. Price too low and you eat into your profits. Here is a smarter way to approach it. Add your materials, consumables, time, overhead. Then multiply the base cost by about 2.5 to 3 times for a healthy margin. Look at what similar handmade tables are going for on Etsy, Facebook Marketplace or Instagram shops. But always justify the value with your description and photos. If your table has clean professional words, unique finishes, real hardwood tops, good branding and photos, then charge what it's worth. People don't just buy products, they buy stories, values and trusts. Try offering 2 pricing tiers, one for a basic version and one for a premium option with custom wood and finishes. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and sharing for others to also get it. See you in the next video.